Hey everyone, it's Sandra from Off to Class. I'm so excited to share with you that we just released B1 Unit 28, 29, and 30 of the step-by-step online curriculum right now on Off to Class. So, B1 Unit 28 is all about present continuous and future arrangements. The difference is that in A2 module, you were talking about future plans and going to with your students. Now, future arrangements is more about expending a certain amount of time and energy and money into something. With future arrangements and present simple, you're using the expression of time. For example, I'm flying to Shanghai tomorrow at 9 a.m. So this implies that you've already bought tickets and that you're using expression of time. Whereas a future plan would be something along the lines of, I'm going to meet Mark after Frisbee practice. This is a bit more vague, and maybe you may have chatted with Mark and maybe you haven't. At the end of the day, native speakers use both of the present continuous for future arrangements and going to for future plans. For Unit 29, it's all about careers and professions. Your students will have a lot of speaking opportunities to use can, have to, and must for obligations, necessity, prohibition, and permissions. In Unit 30, it focuses on giving advice. So making suggestions and offers, and your students will use should and the imperative to give advice. Your students will familiarize themselves with verb patterns with to plus the infinitive. So, for example, it was difficult to understand the movie. And that's all I have for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Click the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.